Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So far, and it's May 12th, I have over $1,000 in sales and my team has over $5,000 in sales, almost 6,000. So that's pretty amazing. So everybody always asks, oh my goodness, that sounds awesome. How did you do it? Share your tips. I think all of us have different tips. I think everything works different for everybody. I have some slow months, you guys, like I do. The key is to always be getting new customers so that when you have your slow months, because your current customers have just bought everything, or they have spent so much money where they're kind of like, okay, my husband's telling me to take a month off from Epicure. Sorry, but I just spent so much money. So the key is to always bring in new customers. How do I do that? Honestly, from YouTube. So I am very lucky. I am getting a lot of my customers and even team members who want to join Epicure from YouTube. So they see me and they're like, oh, awesome. Let me, learn about Epicure. But people don't come on YouTube unless they've heard of Epicure and they want to learn more about it. So how did they hear about it? Think about it. Probably seeing a post from somebody else, right? Social media is amazing. It's a good thing. It's a bad thing, but it's a great thing for something like this, because how else would somebody hear about Epicure? Not from reading a magazine, not from talking to somebody on the street. They just simply hear about it from online, right? So that's what everybody should do. Now, YouTube might not be for you, but come up with something else. Post on Facebook. Post a video of you cooking something. Post all of your like dinners, lunches, all of that. People are watching. The key is to get new customers. I would say this month, you guys, I would say that this month I have about 5 new customers. About 3 of them though came from, I just simply posted about what I had in stock, and then people who had never liked, commented anything before have said like, oh, you have this in stock. That sounds awesome, because people don't want to pay for shipping. But once they get stuff in stock, they go, oh, do you also have this, 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 and this? I will say, no, I don't typically carry a lot in stock. Then they will say, oh, well, can I order some stuff? Sure, perfect. So that's how that happens. So I suggest you guys, posting and just sort of trying to get new customers. It does happen. That's what works for me. So other tips to give you guys, that's probably the main one. I do post consistently. That helps a lot. And since we can't do any in-person cooking classes right now, try to do some online. Why not? Just like set up your iPad, laptop, phone somewhere and just take a video of you cooking your dinner, lunch. Make it Epicure, of course. And you know what, you guys, it doesn't even have to be all about Epicure, but it could be you putting in making a dip with Epicure as your appetizer. Okay, perfect. Use that. So let me know, you guys, if you have any tips for anybody. Let me know that too, and I will see you guys in the next one.